everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you like baked chicken and rice? Well, today I, Cooking with TK, made some baked chicken and rice, and I am going to show you guys how to make this simple, easy, flavorful baked chicken and rice. Don't you guys see all that flavor? It's not plain rice, it's full of flavor, and the chicken isn't plain either. So if you guys would like to know how to make some baked chicken and rice, then let's get into this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Here I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I am going to use to make my baked chicken and rice. Okay, so I am going to season these chicken thighs. Some seasoning salt. Okay, let me show you the seasoning salt. Season enough, but don't overdo it, okay? Now I'm going to use some black pepper. Black pepper, black pepper, black pepper, okay? Onion powder. Season the way you like to season your food, okay? Next, I'm going in with some garlic powder. You can be generous with the garlic powder if you like. Like me, I love that flavor. Next, I'm just going to add a little bit of chicken powder. That's enough, about a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Let me show y'all. I got some thyme leaves that I'm going to use. These are a lot. This was a full pack of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, okay? And I got the pack at Walmart. It did have fat on it, but I cut the fat off. Now, if you like spice, add in a little bit of cayenne. Just a little bit, because y'all know a little bit go a long way, okay? And that's all I'm going to add in, because that cayenne pepper brings the heat, but it surely is good. Just add in a dab of oil. Not a lot. Okay, I'm going to add in a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. If you don't have Worcestershire sauce, just use a little bit of soy sauce, okay? Okay, y'all, so if you want to add like a little extra color, you can add some sazon or some paprika. I'm going to add just a little bit of paprika, but if you got sazon, to me, the sazon make a better color. You know, the sazon in the orange pack. Okay, so now let's just mix our seasoning into our chicken thighs. That's the next step. And I'm going to allow this seasoning to sit on these chicken thighs for about an hour, okay? You can let it sit overnight. It just depends on when, according to how much time you have for when you are going to cook your chicken, okay? Bake your chicken and rice, okay? I want mine to have some flavor, so that's why I'm going to do it for, try to do for an hour. I try to get as much fat off as I could from all these thighs, okay? But it's okay. It's going to render that fat down and help cook the rice and make it nice and flavorful, y'all, okay? So, I got these seasoning mixed on our thighs. See that? See that? You're going to season up your chicken thighs like so. And we're going to bake us some chicken and rice. See, I'm using this large bowl. It has a lid on it for me to sit in the fridge, and I'll be back in an hour so we can cook this baked chicken and rice. Okay, so these are the 2 packs of rice that I'm using. These are the Knorrs chicken, savory chicken flavored rice, the Knorrs rice side. These ain't nothing but $1 at Walmart, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna pour these into the baking pan that I'm using. Just pour both packs in there. Or you can just get one family size pack, okay? Okay, I keep me a bag of the seasoning blend with the onion, the bell peppers, and the parsley flakes. And it has some celery in it. I am going to use a small amount of this. I would say about a half a cup. That's that liquid coming out of there. And it's okay. I'm not going to use the whole bag. Just a little bit to add some flavor to my rice, y'all, okay? This is optional. If you don't want to add it, don't. But I'm telling you, it adds flavor on flavor on flavor. Next, I'm gonna add in some chicken broth. This is a 14.5 ounce can of chicken broth. And all you need is just 1 can of chicken broth for this, okay? Just 1 can. And it's reduced sodium because remember, we got salt on our chicken. And we also have it with these rice pasta sides. They come with a lot of salt. So we don't need to add any more. Okay, I'm going to add in 1 can of cream of chicken. Just a regular size can of cream of chicken. And you're going to add that whole can in. Okay, y'all. This is for everybody who wants to know the exact measurement. So, just one of the regular size can, not a large family size. You don't need that. Okay? And this is like a 10.5 ounce can. Okay? So, what we're going to do is we're just going to mix this together. Okay, so now I'm going to add the black pepper. And that is it. As far as the seasoning. Just mix it in like so. Delicious baked chicken and rice. You can't beat it. It's very cheap, it's affordable, and everyone loves some good down home chicken flavored rice. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my chicken thighs. Remember I told y'all I was gonna marinate them. I might not be able to fit all of them in here. I might have to take these other chicken thighs and freeze them and use them for something else. Maybe some teriyaki chicken or something. Okay, so that's it, y'all. I'm gonna bake these in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay? And after 30 minutes, I'm gonna take my aluminum foil off. So let me get ready to cover this with aluminum foil. Make sure y'all see this, because some people say I be missing steps, and I don't want to miss no steps, so that you can get it exactly the way that I'm getting it. So you see I'm putting aluminum foil over it to cover it, okay? And I'm gonna bake this at 350 in the oven, okay? So let me show y'all that. Let me bake. It's already on 350. I'm gonna hit start. I'm gonna put me a timer on it. I'm gonna cook it for 30 minutes, and then the last 15 minutes I'm gonna take the foil off. It really takes only 45 minutes for this to cook. Y'all, I was sitting up here talking and my camera was off. Okay, so remember I said I was gonna come back after 30 minutes, but I actually came back after like 40-45 minutes because I was in there watching TV. But I want y'all to see that the rice is done. And I told you it only take about 35-40 minutes, okay? Really, yeah, to be done. My daughter don't want me to add the cheese, so I'm not gonna add the cheese because she don't like cheese. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this chicken get a little brown on top. Let me taste this rice. This tastes good, y'all. But let me go ahead and hit this rice under the broiler for a few minutes. This baked chicken and rice, so I can get just a little color on my baked chicken. That's all I want. Okay, here we have it, you guys. Some delicious baked chicken and rice. Simple, easy, full of flavor. Trust me, it's full of flavor. It's something that you can just pop in the oven and have it done within an hour, that your family will enjoy, your kids, everybody will enjoy it. These are boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Remember that, okay? You can flip this rice. Now, I know a lot of people, they put it on the stove first, but with this, you don't have to, okay? Thanks for tuning in with Cooking with TK. Peace. Have a great day.